This is my current armrest. If I lift it up, it's broken. So I bought one off eBay. You see what it looks like. It compares and does it fit. That's the armrest, and that's what it looks like without the lid. So here's the armrest I bought off eBay. It was 12 quid delivered. Seller says they're in the UK, but who knows. It's an Audi A3 GZ NG038. Not sure what that means. Let's see. Okay, first of all I can see a big gap here, and apart from that it looks okay. The lid bit seems a bit better. Yep, this one moves. What does it look like on the other side? Okay, OEM, well at least I think it's OEM, China eBay replacement. Let's see if I can fix this. There you go, so no more gap. Now to go and fit it in the car. There's a big difference, obviously, as you can see. This is a nice typical leather, and this is smooth as anything. I'm guessing over the years it's worn out, because if you look at the edges, it's got the grain like that. So you just push it in like this, it makes it easier, and close. It doesn't stay closed, so when I do this, it's just gonna flip open and break again. So got a feeling I need to put something here. Put something here to make sure it locks. Oh, it does. There you go. Just gotta push it hard enough. Opens. No, it doesn't open.